Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. I'm making boneless huckleberry ribs on my smoker. Make sure you stay till the very end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. So check it out. Alright, for Appies with Chappy today, I got a nice pork tenderloin. And I'm going to make some smoked boneless Huckleberry ribs. So first up, going to take the silver skin off of the pork loin. It's really chewy and not really edible. Okay, so my plan is to pound it flat so it looks like a rack of ribs. I'm going to smoke it, and then I'm going to glaze it with my Huckelberry Glaze, and then I'm going to cut it into fingers, and there'll be little boneless ribs. Okay, one last piece of silver skin there. All right. And then before it goes on the smoker, I'm going to smoke it with applewood today. I'm just going to give it a little dusting of Slap Ya Mama. And this is the white pepper blend. And it is so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama. Try to use my non-contaminated hand. All right. And then we'll get that on the smoker. All right, as I said, we're using applewood today. I got it set at 220. I'm basically just gonna smoke it until I got an internal temperature of about 165. So no real time limit set. All right, I'll just let it do its thing. And in the meantime, I'm gonna work on my Huckleberry Glaze. All right, I'm going to make my Huckleberry Glaze for my boneless ribs. So I got some huckleberry jam. Apparently huckleberries only grown wild in certain regions like Montana. And this is actually from Montana. And it says wild huckleberry jam. Add a little butter. That's pretty hot. All right, I used about third of a cup of huckleberry jam, and I'm just gonna add a little red wine vinegar to give it a little acidity, and I got a little bit of Slap Ya Mama white pepper blend, and then this is optional, but I got some fish sauce, it's just going to add a little bit of umami. Don't overdo it on the fish sauce. And then I'm gonna just to loosen it up a bit, I'm gonna add some pineapple juice. Pineapple has an enzyme that breaks down meat and tenderizes meat. And we'll just let that thicken. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my Huckleberry smoked boneless ribs, and we just need a drink to go with that. I'm going to do a 6-foot kick. I'm getting this from Liquid Vacation by P. Moss, owner of Frankie's Tiki Room in fabulous Las Vegas. So it says in Liquid Vacation, it says, "Don't let the innocent look deceive you. This wicked wallop will kick your ass." And again, this is a 6-foot kick. And I'm just going to build it in my Tiki mug. I got it full of crushed ice. And it's 1 ounce of Cruzand aged rum. 1 ounce of lemon heart, 151 proof. I just got the regular lemon heart today. An ounce of Falernum, and then a 1 ounce of ginger syrup. This is just a simple syrup. I chucked a piece of fresh ginger in it while I was making it. 2 ounces of papaya nectar, and 1 ounce of OJ. I got some fresh oranges today. Okay, that's about an ounce. And I got a nice umbrella garnish, and that's a 6-foot kick from Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas to go with my smoked Huckleberry boneless ribs. Watch another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.